Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with PNC to lock your digital accounts securely. Complete guide step by step clearly. To register with PNC for secure digital account access, begin by visiting the PNC website. On the home page, locate the Sign On button typically found in the upper right corner. Click on the Sign On button to proceed to the login page. If you do not have a PNC account, click on the Enroll Now option. You will be directed to a new page where you can start the registration process. Fill in the required personal information, including your social security number and account number. Make sure that all information is accurate and matches what PNC has on file. Create a user ID, ensuring it meets the security requirements listed on the page. Next, choose a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and special characters. Confirm your password by entering it a second time in the designated field. Select your preferred security questions from the provided options and answer them carefully. These questions will help secure your account in case you forget your login credentials. Review all entries to ensure accuracy before proceeding. Click on the Continue button to move forward with your registration. PNC will send you an email or text message for verification purposes. Check your email or phone for the verification code. Once you receive the code, return to the PNC website and enter the code in the provided field. Click Verify to confirm your identity and complete the After successful verification, you will receive a confirmation message. Now, you can log into your new PNC digital account using your user ID and password. For enhanced security, consider enabling two-factor authentication in your account settings. This will add an extra layer of protection to your digital accounts. Familiarize yourself with the layout of the online banking platform. Explore the available features, including account management and transaction monitoring. Now you are fully registered and can securely manage your PNC digital accounts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.